common question newcomers to the crypto space always ask is, where should I keep my crypto? And the quick answer is anywhere except for on an exchange. In crypto, it's important that you have self-custody of your coins instead of letting a third party do that for you. Not your keys, not your crypto. And this year we've seen insolvency issues turn less responsible platforms of this community on their heads. And the contagion effect of this has affected millions of users. But if you maintain custody of your crypto like that on a wallet with a seed phrase, you are unaffected by any sort of withdrawal halts or insolvency issues. Leaving your crypto on an exchange is an unnecessary risk, and when platforms are faced with insolvency, retail users like you and I are usually the ones to find out. Alright, now let's get right into it, and I do want to say that all the links you will need for all the wallets we will discuss will be down in the description. But in this video we'll talk about how you should store your crypto. And you can either store it in cold storage or in hot storage or in hot wallets, and especially that last one, which are usually applications and software where you can safely store your crypto. That last one is what we'll talk about in this video. So perhaps it's good to start with a quick description of what a hot wallet specifically is. So a hot wallet refers to a virtual currency wallet that is accessible online, and it facilitates cryptocurrency transactions between the owner and end users. A collection of private keys is stored on a program connected to the internet and is used to store and send different currencies, such as Bitcoin, but that depends on the different hot wallets, what currencies are supported and what cryptos you can send with it and store on that. And by storing and securing holdings, digital wallets for cryptocurrency provide accessibility and convenience for financial transactions within the virtual currency economy. So a hot wallet is also known as a hot wallet service, and it is one of the two types of cryptocurrency wallets. And like we said earlier, a cryptocurrency wallet can be categorized into a hot wallet and a cold wallet, and the difference between the two is that the former requires an internet connection where the latter does not require one. So the first hot wallet we'll talk about is the Coinbase wallet. So obviously most of you know Coinbase, and the main Coinbase app, or coinbase.com, that's their website, allows you to buy and sell cryptos or exchange it for fiat currency and transfer it to your bank account. If you just want to invest in Bitcoin or any other currency, it's all you need. And the Coinbase app will securely manage the rights to your private keys. Now the Coinbase wallet though, the hot wallet we're talking about, is a separate app that allows you to store your private keys and to send, receive and spend digital money. But apart from that, also to browse and use DeFi applications and way more. And you actually don't need a Coinbase account to use the Coinbase wallet. In the Coinbase wallet, you can store all of your crypto and NFTs. It has support for hundreds of thousands of tokens. You can explore the decentralized web on your phone or browser, and your digital assets are protected with industry-leading security. The next hot wallet we'll talk about is the Exodus wallet. And Exodus is a cryptocurrency wallet with an incorporated, decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, and it offers the ability to connect to a centralized one as well. Exodus offers over 235 cryptocurrencies for storage and crypto-to-crypto and peer-to-peer swaps, and users have total control over their assets and private keys. So in comparison, Coinbase is a centralized cryptocurrency brokerage, and it supports over 215 cryptocurrencies and many fiat currencies as well. And Coinbase users hold funds using hot wallet software, and Coinbase is the custodian, but Coinbase investors can transfer funds to the standalone Coinbase wallet for additional control as well. So although Exodus is worth checking out and potentially using, investors generally must already have cryptocurrency to use Exodus. And although they are now offering a direct purchase option, ultimately it's about your comfort level with peer-to-peer trading on the centralized exchanges versus the convenience yet less control of a centralized exchange. And additionally, when comparing Coinbase and Exodus, Coinbase is a bit more user-friendly overall, and it offers superior educational opportunities for beginners. Lastly, we will talk about the Trust Wallet, which is another hot wallet application. So Trust Wallet is a non-custodial multi-crypto wallet that gives users full control over their digital assets, from cryptocurrencies to NFTs. And it is also Binance's official crypto wallet and currently supports over 65 blockchains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron and Ripple, along with over 4.5 million crypto assets, including NFTs like we just said. And moreover, it even includes access to decentralized applications or dApps. And the Trust Wallet is free to download on Android and iOS and can be downloaded via the Play Store and App Store. respectively. Apart from that, Trust Wallet also has a simple, straightforward and interactive user interface which has helped the platform accrue over 10 million active users using Trust Wallet. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. We talked about 3 very good hot wallet storage solutions out there: the Coinbase wallet, Exodus, and the Trust Wallet. Again, I do want to remind you that all the links you will need for this video will be down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.